Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by laying out components logically on the board. This reduces wiring errors and noise. First, position the amplifier IC or transistor stage near the audio jack so input traces stay short. Next, place decoupling capacitors close to the power pins to prevent oscillation. This is critical for stability. Once done, route signal paths away from power traces and mark ground returns. Make sure to leave room for a heatsink and a test point for the power rail. You now solder the core signal chain carefully. Start with the input coupling capacitor and bias network so the amplifier's operating point is correct. This sets gain and linearity. Then add the feedback components which shape frequency response and stability. Pay attention to polarity on electrolytics. After that, wire the output coupling capacitor and speaker terminal using short, thick traces for low impedance. Once those are secure, attach the heatsink and verify continuity on supply and ground. You finish by powering up cautiously with a current-limited supply. This prevents damage if there is a short. Then inject a low-level audio signal and listen for clean output while monitoring bias and output offset with a multimeter. This tells you if the stage is biased correctly. If you hear hum or distortion, make sure to reflow any cold solder joints and verify ground routing to avoid ground loops. One key troubleshooting tip: if output is silent, check the input coupling cap and transistor/IC orientation first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.